Is that a plane?
Yes, it is Melon Airline Flight 1954.
Melon Airlines 1954 ready to teleport to the air.
Captain, this Boeing 747 is unstable.
Pumpkin, Melon is the Boeing 747 unstable.
Tie ropes to your heads to not fall. You can take off after teleporting.
And also brace for impact, do not forget.
Corn, is this a field trip or a school trip?
Field,
Where is the tres passenger, Captain?
We'll teleport in a few minutes.
The clouds are awesome.
Why did it pause?
The plane might crash.
Why my situation undone?
nothing, bro.
God, we will make you my food tonight.
I will make you a food.
Bro, why is not wings and engines?
Because it is powered on the plane propeller.
But why is not the propeller active?
They use teleportation.
Someone free me.
No first officer.
I'm tired of standing for years.
Man, this is really the best Boeing 747. Finally, for God's sake.
Bank angle. Bank angle.
First time hearing a GPWS alarm.
Terrain, terrain. Pull up, pull up.
I have a wife and those children, bro.
Someone gets this revived.